A unique question tonight on the Law and You, asking about a lawyer to help with a business. Back with us to answer those questions tonight are attorneys Greg Fellerman and Molly Clark, who is here for Ed in the Virtual Law Center. Thank you both for being here.
Thanks for having us.
Well, Ed is diligently working in court trying to resolve a trucking case, so good luck, Ed.
We think about cases like that with lawyers, but this is another use perhaps for a lawyer. Let's get to the question from Stephen Mountaintop. Steve says, my business is doing okay, but I want to branch out into new areas of opportunity. I never hired a lawyer to help me with my business, but I think I may need one. Molly, we'll start with you. What do you think about Steve maybe considering some representation here as he expands?
I do think you should contact a lawyer, even just to get some advice. You may not ultimately need one depending on the business that you're opening, depending on what you're planning to do. But certain businesses require certain forms that have to be filled out with the state. You may have to get an EIN number and things of that nature. There's some tax consequences you're going to want to talk about. So I actually do think you should contact a lawyer so that you can at least get some answers on how to best set your business up, and then you may also need them to help you fill out the forms through the Department of State. So I think it's a good idea to reach out and make that call. What do you think, Greg?
I agree. I think a lot of business owners make a mistake by not hiring counsel. You know, you don't, with the type of lawyers, when you use business lawyers, they're only paid on an hourly basis when you use them. So it's good to have a lawyer you can pick up the phone and call when you have a legal question. So a lot of guys, people have these businesses and they want to do it on their own. They make a ton of mistakes and then they're calling the lawyer to pick up the pieces. You seem like you're doing okay. You have some expansion issues you want to deal with. I think it's a great idea. I really do.
And I know if anyone out there watching needs a connection legally, you guys can help them out.
Oh, yeah.
Way to do that is give the office a call, check them out online, and don't forget Results Matter with attorneys Greg Fellerman and Molly Clark. Thanks for being here.
Our pleasure.
Thank you.
Thank you.
All right, don't forget to get a question here on the Law and You. Head to PAHomepage.com or call the Law and You hotline.